Hello, I'm Doug McLean. As 2023 draws to a close, I'd like to take this moment on behalf of all of the staff at Stoney Trail Mazda to thank our valued customers for the support they have shown us this year. I'd also like to wish everyone a very happy, joyous, and safe holiday season. 2024 promises to be an exciting year at Stoney Trail Mazda. Stay tuned for some exciting new model announcements coming from Mazda as they continue on their journey along the road to electrification. Happy holidays.